Unlocking English. Mastering Separable Phrasal Verbs. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of English phrasal verbs, specifically focusing on separable phrasal verbs. This class will help you to understand how they are structured and how to use them correctly in your everyday English communication. To start, let's define what we mean by a separable phrasal verb. Phrasal verbs are verbs made up of multiple words, usually a verb plus one or two prepositions or adverbs. The term separable means that the verb and the preposition or adverb can be separated by other words, particularly the object of the verb. For example, consider the phrasal verb turn off. We can say either I turn off the light or I turn the light off. The verb turn and the preposition off are separated by the object, the light. The structure of separable phrasal verbs is interesting and unique. There are two primary structures to remember. 1. Verb plus object plus preposition, adverb. As in the example we mentioned earlier, I turn the light off. 2. Verb plus pronoun plus preposition, adverb. If we are using a pronoun as the object, we must use this structure. For example, we can't say, I turn off it. We must say, I turn it off. Remember, when a pronoun, it, him, her, them, etc., is used, it always goes between the verb and the preposition, adverb. Let's practice a few examples of separable phrasal verbs. 1. Pick up, to collect something or someone. 2. I need to pick my kids up from school. 3. I need to pick up my kids from school. 4. Put on, to dress oneself in something. 5. I put my jacket on before leaving the house. 6. I put on my jacket before leaving the house. Remember, if we were to use a pronoun here, it would be I need to pick them up from school. I put it on before leaving the house. And there you have it. A simple guide to the structure of separable phrasal verbs in English. Remember, learning these will not only help you understand English better, but it will also make your English sound more natural and fluent. Keep practicing, and soon using separable phrasal verbs will become second nature. See you in our next lesson, where we'll explore more about the fascinating world of English. Keep exploring, keep learning,